This is a tutorial to explain how to format your paper to comply with APA documentation style. There are several components to this process. The first thing that we want to do is to create a header on our page. So with a blank document opened in Word, you're going to go up to the Insert tab and then go over to the right until you see where it says page number. Use the drop-down menu, choose top of page, and then choose the third option, plain number 3. When you do that, you will see a page number and beside it to the left, your cursor. You will now type the title of your paper in all caps. If your title is lengthy, you can use a shortened version. Next, you will hit the Tab key on your keyboard 2 times. This will move your title over to the left, keeping your page number on the right. All right, at this point, we're going to go back up to the tabs, and in the middle, under Design, we're going to click the box that says Different First Page. When you do that, your header will disappear, but don't worry, it will be showing up in just a moment. We're going to again go to page number. This time you're going to find that over on the left. Use the drop-down, choose top of page, choose again the third option, plain number 3. You will see your page number on the right with the cursor just to the left of it. This time we're going to type the words, whoops, get our caps lock off, running head, as you see here, colon, space, and now the title of your paper again in all caps. You'll hit your Tab key again 2 times. That should bring it over to the left with your page number remaining on the right. At this point, double-click below the dotted line, and you will now be able to see your header. It should be in grayed out font. You'll see that the first page has the running head words, and if you go down to the next page, you'll see that page 2 just has the title with page 2. Let me make this, view this as one page. Okay, the next step is to create the information that you need on the title page, on the first page. This information consists of the title of your paper, this time the full title, the author of the paper, the institution, and the date. All of that information is to be centered in the middle of the page, and it should be double-spaced. So let's go up back to the Home tab, and we're going to go up to the Paragraphing, click the drop-down menu, and under our line spacing, we'll choose double space. Click OK. Another way that you can do that is with the shortcut. Using your drop-down, 2.0 is the same as double spacing. We also need to center this information, so our alignment shortcuts are right here on the toolbar. You'll choose Center. And then we're going to need to move our cursor down so that our information will be about in the midpoint of the paper. And if your cursor is at the top of the page, and it's double spaced, if you hit Enter about 6 times, you should be in about the right place. All right, so we're going to start with the title, the full title of your paper, not using all caps. So you'll type that here. If the title is lengthy and it goes on to the next line, that's fine. Whenever you're done typing the title, you'll hit Enter. That should double space down. And now you'll put the author, which of course would be your name. You'll hit enter, put the name of the institution, which would be Delaware Technical Community College. You'll hit enter once again, and now you'll type the date. And that information should be about in the midpoint of the paper. If it's up a little, you can move it down. You don't want it to be below the halfway mark. It should be just about in the center of the page. So you can look at your toolbar here, and it should be right, the bottom of it should be right about where the 4 shows. All right, the next thing you want to do is to begin typing your paper. That will be starting on page 2. You will keep your spacing at double space. I'm going to just double check it, make sure it is double spaced. We are going to repeat the title here on the beginning of page 2. That will be centered, so we'll change our alignment to center. And we will again give our full title. Double space down, move our alignment back over to left, align left. Hit the tab key once, which should bring your cursor over about 5 spaces. And this is where you would begin typing your paper. All right, that should set your paper up for formatting. Another tutorial will explain how to create your references page. But that's all for now.